All right, hello and welcome back. Brett here. So in this video, we're going to talk about what is data analysis, and we've kind of already been talking around it, but we're going to get into it specifically now. So data analysis is the process of collecting the data. It's cleaning the data because a lot of times you'll get bad data, and you got to know how to get that out of your data set so you can get good answers from your data. How to manipulate the data to put it in different formats that are more helpful, and then obviously using that data to model essentially reality, right? Because it's really what's happening, it's facts. So you can use that data, put it in visual formats and bar charts or line graphs or like whatever it is. Um, and we're going to use that data then, interpret it, and usually use statistical assessment, as we were talking about in a prior video, assessing it with um, statistical techniques, and we're going to assess the data with those. But a lot of times putting that data into some kind of like image or having it, on some kind of visual sort of way of seeing it can be very helpful as well. So this is the data analysis process that we're going to be going through in this video. And you can do it very formally. You can also just sort of do it intuitively as well. And I think the more important part than going through a super rigorous, exact and write down every single result like a scientist, I think that the more important way of doing data analysis is by just thinking in, an analysis sort of mode all of the time. Because every dashboard you look at, you're not always going to be doing a project where you're measuring everything, but every dashboard you look at, you're just kind of looking at it and you're saying, ah, I see the story in the data there, and I can start to theorize about the solutions and test those in real time. And so that's kind of, I think, when you hit sort of the mastery of the data analysis. Okay, so either way, data analysis is the formal process of the collecting, the measuring, the cleaning the data, the manipulating it into different formats and different styles, maybe visualizing that data, and then statistically analyzing it to come to decisions about how to move forward with whatever the thing is that we're doing. So thanks for being in this video. We'll see you in the next one.